welcome back to another video. So I was literally in the middle of recording. I was 10 minutes into a video that I was recording, and Amazon delivery turned up. I wasn't expecting anything, and my partner shouted upstairs, because I'm upstairs recording, it's for you. Hang on, I've got what's that? Something's bit my arm. Something's bit my arm. Anyway, I wasn't expecting anything. And because I was recording, I just shouted to my partner, will you just open the box and tell me what's in it? And he shouted up, he said it's a red box and it says Saviland. And I'm thinking, no, I'm not expecting anything from Saviland. Then I thought, maybe if they sent me some PR. And anyway, I've opened it. This is it. Let me show you what was in it. I'm going to have to cover the bottom up because I swore I wrote something really naughty on the bottom. Anyway, I've just recently, as you all know, hit my 1,000 subscriber milestone. And two of my very good friends, Gina and Cammy, bought me these as a congratulations present. Honest to God, I'm absolutely blown away. I can't believe it. I mean, that is just the sweetest, most thoughtful thing. It really is. Anyway, this is what it had in it. Congratulations on becoming monetized, chick. We knew you would do it quick time, and we are so proud of you. Love you millions, from Gina and Cammy. Now, Gina and Cammy have both got YouTube channels. I'll leave their channels pinned in my comments. Gina's channel is called Nails with Gigi, and Cammy is Nails by Cammy. Thank you so much, you pair of little shits. Really, really didn't need to do that. Just your congratulations and your excitement for me was enough. You really didn't have to do this. But anyway, they both knew this is something that I wanted, and I was literally talking to Gina the night before about which ones I was going to get. So they literally got them for me the next day. So these are Saviland Builder Gels. I've just started using Builder Gels recently and started learning how to build nails using it. And I haven't got any colours. I've only got 2 nail bed colours and white and clear. So they've bought me this rainbow one from Saviland. They do 2 of these sets, Saviland do. They do this rainbow one. And I think the other one they've got is more pastel colours and a couple of glittery ones. But this is the rainbow one, which I absolutely love. Anyway, let's get on with it. So it comes with these butterfly paper foams. I have never used paper foams, so I might have a go with them. Either on mine, because I've just took mine all off last night. Don't know, we shall see. But I'm only swatching them today. I'm only swatching the colours today. And it comes with these cute little brushes, look. It's got Saviland written on all the brushes. So one of them's like a rounded gel brush. One of them's square and one of them's a little skinny mini one. Cute. Love them. Right, so this is the colours. Red, orange, yellow, green, purpley, blue, purple, sky blue, pink, pink, another purple. And it's got a transparent and a white. I will swatch the white, only because I want to see if it's a milky white or a normal white. But I'm not going to swatch the transparent because it's Builder Gel. We all know clear Builder Gel is clear. It's like base coat. It is clear. So it hasn't got what sizes on the pots, but they look like maybe 5 or 7 mil. Look, aren't they cute? Love the packaging. Love the packaging. Right, so I'm going to get the lids off all of these, because that's going to take some time. It's going to be so sticky. I'm going to get the lids off all these. I've already got some swatch sticks out, so I'm just going to write the numbers on them and all that jazz. And we'll get them swatched. I'm just going to swatch them on the inside of the swatch stick, just because it takes up a lot less product. And yeah, I've not used them before. I'm not very good with Builder Gel. It's very runny. You have to be fast. So because I just want to see what the colours are like. I want to see if they're jelly-like or if they're completely opaque. Yeah, let's get them swatched, shall we? Right, so I've got all my lids off, ready to go. Look, they look really opaque, actually. Oh, I've got something in that. God's sake. Let me just get this out. It's a bit of the foil off the packaging, I think. Yeah, unwrapping them, they all look really opaque. I'm excited. Right. I'm going to try this brush. I'm using the rounded one, but it's very, very soft. I'm going to give it a go, see how I get on with it, but I've got a feeling it's going to be too soft. Well, depends how soft the builder gels are. It might be alright, but I might end up having to pull one of my own out. Right, so let's get started. I'm going to start with SS01, which is called Rainbow Red. But this looks like a real red. Yeah, I'm just doing them on the inside of the swatch stick. Oh, this brush is picking it up alright, actually. Alright. Yeah, it looks quite opaque. Oh, it's actually a nice consistency. I thought they were going to be a bit more runnier than that, but they're not. They're quite thick, actually. I'm not going to do them too thick because I don't want to waste it. I only need to see the colours. But yeah, they look quite opaque, actually. I like them. Yeah, they are a lot thicker than I thought they were going to be. I think I'll just swatch this one with you, actually, guys. Because, yeah, it's taking me a while. Yeah, this is a proper red. Obviously, if I was doing this on my nails, I wouldn't be applying them like this. This is totally wrong way to apply builder gel, but I'm just swatching them, getting a feel for how thick it is, how thin it is. Looks a bit sheer because I've put it on so thin, but these are nice. Yeah, these are going to be nice to work with. They don't seem to self-level really quickly either. So you'd have a bit of time to play with it, which is good for someone like me that's just starting out on my builder gel journey. I think I've mastered my polygel and I'm moving on to builder gels now. That's a very thin layer as well, and it's really bright and vibrant. I hope they're all like this. That's really nice. Right, I'm going to get that in the lamp, and I'm going to put some music on to swatch these because it's going to take me all day. Right guys, that is them all swatched except the transparent. Obviously I didn't swatch that. These are probably the worst swatches I've ever done in my life. But I've never used builder gel like this consistency. The two builder gels I've got are hard gels. But I absolutely love them. Look how vibrant, bold and pigmented and opaque all of them kind of things. Look, it's kind of got like a rainbow set, your perfect rainbow colours there, and then it's got like pastel colours. Aren't they smart? I love them. Let me show you the back. I've top coated the back of them because obviously they've got a tacky layer, but I love them. They're so opaque. None of them are like jelly or transparent. I would say the white is more of a milky white. Saying that, it's a very, very thin coat. So actually, if I did a thicker coat, but I love them. I absolutely love them. Look at all them colours, guys, and they're cured nice. But yeah, I don't think I will be rushing into using these just yet. After swatching them, yeah, I'm going to have to practice and get used to these because there's not a chance I'm going to be able to use them on them yet. I might have a go on some tips, either on my nails or my flexi hand. I might have a go. I'm never going to get good at it if I don't throw myself in, but definitely not on the papers for now. But I absolutely love them. Thank you so much, Gina, Cammy. I absolutely love them. You're a pair of little buggers. You really shouldn't have done that. But thank you so much. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you for the amount of times the pair of you have my belly hurting with laughing. You're a pair of nutters. I think that's why we get on so much, because I think we've all established that I'm a bit of a nutter. But yeah, that's me. I love them. Thank you so much. I don't know what else to say, just thank you, and I can't wait to do something with these. Like I said, I've just started getting into builder gels. I've been really enjoying them. So watch this space. We'll see what we can come up with. Anyway, guys, hopefully I can edit this video down and hopefully it won't be a long video. But if it does turn out to be a long video and you have all made it to the end, here is your medal. Congratulations. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.